Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a good day as always. Today, I want to talk about a service that I've been using recently that I'm very happy with, and that is the Capital One Performance Savings or Money Market account. And I've been using it recently as my emergency fund of choice. Now, I want to take a quick moment here and thank Dennis over at True Financials for pointing this out to me. He had a link in one of his videos for the Capital One account, and I clicked on it just to kind of find out more about it. And it actually offers a much better rate than what I was getting at my credit union account. And trust me, guys, I am a credit union supporter through and through. But when there's a better service that I'm already familiar with and I get a higher rate, I'm definitely going to take advantage of it when I can. So what I want to do next is break down a few of my favorite features about the account, tell you why I'm using it, and then if you're at all considering opening up this specific account, or you're looking for an account to kind of park your emergency funds, hopefully it'll help you make a decision. Now, this is probably no surprise to anyone at all, but the main reason why I decided to move my account over, or at least a certain amount of my account over, was because of a higher rate. Right? At my credit union account, I think I was earning 0.05%, so not a whole lot of money at all when it comes to interest and dividends. And that was okay because I wasn't really using this account for that purposes. I've had this account for so long and I had my emergency fund parked there. It was as simple as that. Now, let's look at what I have right now. The Capital One account right now is paying me 1.9%. I think when I first started the account, it was paying me 2%, so they lowered it a little bit, but still, that's not that big of a deal. Rates are going to change every now and then, so I'm making this video in August of 2019. If you're watching this much later and you want to find out what the rates are, definitely check my refer a friend link down below. It should have it in that area. But back to the point that I was making, right? The interest rate is the main reason why I moved it over. You know, it's not like I'm going to be making thousands of dollars a year off that 1.9%. But it really is the difference between dollars and cents every single month. Like if you look at a snapshot of the transaction history of the past few months, you know, this is what it looks like. I'm actually being paid money every single month. I will point out that I do get a higher rate than those who fund their account with less than $10,000. My rate right now is 1.9% because I have more than 10,000. If it's less than 10,000, I think the rate is 0.85%. So it is a noticeable drop in rate, but at the same time, you know, if you are earning 0.01% or even less in your bank account for your savings rate, 0.85% is still a much higher rate than what most banks are offering, especially considering it's like a no-fee account and no balance requirements. So do know that if you are thinking about opening this account, it is different rates for certain balance amounts. Now, the last point I want to make on rates is that I know I probably could have found a little bit of a higher rate if I would have looked around online for a different financial institution. Maybe I could have gotten like 2.1 or 2.2%. But the thing is, most of the time, it involves like a CD, which I don't want to do because I don't want to lock up these funds, right? The point of the emergency fund is that I can access them whenever I need to. So I wanted to make sure that they were fully liquid. The other thing is that even if I found a 2.1 or a 2% that could have beat or matched Capital One, I already have a relationship with Capital One because I'm a credit card user of theirs. I've had their credit card, their venture credit card, since like 2016. And again, you know, I hate to say it, but despite the fact that I am a credit union supporter, they do a credit card very well. You know, between the ease of use and their user interface online, I was actually really comfortable moving a $10,000 transfer over to Capital One. And the money market's proven to be the exact same thing. It's just very easy to use. I was familiar with their interface, and it also doesn't involve me opening another account with another financial institution, right? It would not be worthwhile for me to get an extra 0.1% if it meant that I have yet another bank account, yet another login information. I personally like to have a few accounts and I know exactly what is in what, and everything's just a lot easier for me to manage that way. Now, the last benefit that I want to talk about is that I think they've got a pretty good refer a friend and sign-up bonus, which I'm always a really big fan of. I'm not sure if you caught it earlier, but if you look at my transaction history, you see a $100 sign-up bonus, and that's because I funded the account with $10,000. So I got a $100 signing bonus, which is pretty much 1%. So if you look at it, between the 1% sign-up bonus and the 2% that I was earning, right, it's pretty much a money market that's paying me 3%. So I will take that every single day of the week. Now, if you fund the account with less than $10,000, I think it is a $25 sign-up bonus, which, it's not as good, but still, it's free money. And at the end of the day, I always like it when a company gives back to you for promoting a good service that they may offer, and that's what they're doing in this case. So again, there is a refer a friend link down below. You'll probably get a $25 or $100 sign-up bonus. It should tell you when you click on the link, and also it will give me a $20 bonus as well. Now, they do cap it out at $1,000, so make sure that you put your own refer a friend link if you happen to open up an account, because I may cap out and it won't do me any good, and I may try to rotate certain other refer a friend promos in the link down below in case I do max out. But all in all, those are the main benefits that I see when it comes to an emergency fund account like this. It is a good rate, it's consistent dividends, and it's easy to use. There's not a whole lot else that I can ask for. Now, if you use a different service or financial institution and you think it's a little bit better, definitely comment and let me know why you think that is, because there's many out there who have not chosen which account to use, and the more that we share with each other, the better off everyone is. But all in all, that's the video I want to make today. Again, I hope you guys found it worthwhile and you can benefit from this information. Definitely check out on the link below if you are thinking about opening this account. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. You guys know what to do. But take care, make smart financial decisions, and I'll see you guys next time. Hey guys, I know I just said this stuff, but let me say it again. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate all the support that you guys give me. And to support you, here's 2 more videos that I've made in the past in case you haven't seen them. Don't forget to share these with your friends and family so we can help all the people achieve their financial goals. Likewise, if there's anything that you would want to see made that you haven't seen thus far, definitely don't hesitate to let me know. But thanks again, take care, and have a good day.